belly ako ng umaga.
Saan?
Yung pinarada kasi namin, puno na yung lamps.
Oh.
Yung sa kabila may shell.
Yeah.
Pero yung ano niya, yung papasok niya naka-decline na ganon.
Saan yan?
Sa
Kentucky?
sa may Richmond, Kentucky.
Good morning mga choy. Good morning internet. Good morning viewers. Good morning Fort Wayne, Indiana. 7 o'clock in the morning. Again, kung saan ako natapos, doon ako magsisimula today. Okay? Kaya no reason na ba't nawala ang video. Nawawala lang ang video pag tinatamad ako mag-upload or hindi talaga kaya. Nai-stress ako dito sa Eastern Time. Ang bilis ng oras nila. Like kagabi nanonood lang ako saglit ng YouTube. Alas 11 na agad. Dali ako nag-edit ng ngayon, ng aking mga vlog. Holy smoke, ang aking tulog ay 4 hours na lang. Sabi ko, ang bilis ng oras dito sa Eastern Time. Sa Central Time, alas 6 pa lang. Sa Saskatchewan, alas 5 pa lang ng umaga ngayon. My God. Mas maganda sa Manitoba or Saskatchewan or doon sa BC sa Mountain Time kasi late sila ng 3 hours. 3 hours, yeah, I think late sila ng 3 hours. Maganda doon. Hindi masyadong ang oras dito. Ang bilis ng oras nila. Anyway, 340 kilometers from here hanggang sa Illinois state line din. Again, ulitin ko lang, maghihiwalay na kami ni Craig na pilot ko. And sa nakapanood nung last video, binata do siya. Binata. So kung meron kayong kakilalang mga nasa 30s 40s na magandang babae na pwede mong kay Craig, mabait siya soft spoken siya. Then kita ko yung video niya nung binili niya yung bahay, na interview sila then nandun pa yung partner niya before. So ngayon wala na daw sila, naghiwalay na sila. So PM nyo ako kung meron kayong kakilala or comment kayo dyan or PM kayo dun sa Facebook, and then ibabato ko kay Craig yung mga naghahanap ng yung bagong program ng America, AFAM. Okay? AFAM, maghanap ng AFAM. But yeah, mabait siya, hardworking si Craig. So yun lang. Pusing ko lang ito aking 15 minutes break, and then batsin na kami dito sa New Haven, Indiana. Indiana, madali lang siya. Madali lang siya sa 3 hours and a half na biyahe. More on interstate lang yung dadaanan ko, kaya ang bilis ko lang. Wala akong detour dito na papasok ako sa mga backdoor or mga secondary highway or farm area. Wala. More on interstate 469, 69, yung mga taga-America at Canada, no? Biyahero. 469, 69 interstate, 465, and then 74. Yun lang yun. Yung apat na interstate lang yung dadaanan ko. Then that's it, Illinois na. Then sa Illinois, yun ang marami.
Take exit 08 on the right to I-69 South.
Okay, ito yung papuntang Indianapolis, I-69. Exit
300
OA.
meters, arrive at coordinates
Overacting.
on the right.
Overacting na yung exit.
Marco, have you heard of the Pro Miles app?
Continue on
It's Pro
08.
Miles.
Yeah, the company told us about the Pro Miles, and we can use that one. I don't know if we can use that one in Indiana or Illinois.
I think they've only got maybe, you're clear out. I think they've only got maybe 5 or 6 states that are using it now. They're trying to get every state to go on with it, but I know Indiana is working now. Got an 18 up. If it's not that main QR code, it's actually, I think, on the second page or something, and it will say scan for audio navigation or something like that under the code. But Indiana's is working now.
Oh, that's nice. So that apps is accurate to the permit routes.
Yep, you just download the app and you scan that QR code that says the audible navigation, because there's a QR code on the front page and that don't do anything. It's the one that says it's for the Pro Mile. But yeah, I did that last week. I scanned one and it brings it up on the app, and then it puts it into a route on your phone, and I've been hearing that it's really accurate.
So you mean it's only audio or there's a map on that one?
You just use your phone and it brings up the map.
Okay, I'm gonna try on Illinois. Yeah, they told us to download that apps, but never tried.
Yeah, Pro Miles. Yeah, I can't wait till they get it for everywhere. I know Texas and Pennsylvania need something like that because their routing sucks so bad.
Yeah, it's make our life more easier.
Oh yeah, a lot easier.
Welcome to Indianapolis, mga Chuy.
You have traveled more than a mile off route. Please safely pull over and call for a new permit.
What off-road?
Be in either of the two right lanes.
We're following the westbound.
In 0.5 miles, continue straight on I-465.
Right, this is it, Pansit. 16AB.
Take exit 16AB on the right to
Come
exit
on, let's go.
west and keep right.
Yo, bro! No, kita niyo yung isang sasakyan? Ang bagal niya maka-accelerate. Diyos ko, di mo lapit. Oo, di ba? May mga driver na accelerating lane. Let's go! Bring it on, man! Okay, this is our last exit.
10 forward.
Be in the right lane. Bear right onto I-74 ramp. In 0.1 miles,
Napaka-smooth ng aming exit ng Indiana. So far, so good.
at coordinates on the left. In 0.2 miles, bear right onto I-74. Please drive to highlighted route.
Woo! Thank you, Lord.
Continue on I-74.
1 hour hanggang Illinois border. Nice.
In 72 miles, arrive at destination.
Track is 60. Cruise control. Engage. There you go. Cover that one.
Alright, clear.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. It's been a good one. I hope you have a safe rest of your trip, and maybe I'll see you again.
Yeah, catch you next time. Enjoy your weekend.
Alrighty, you too. Thank you.
And we're done. I'll save up your number, okay?
What's that?
I will save your number.
Okay, yeah, save my number. I got yours saved. I follow you on the TikTok, sir.
Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Welcome to Illinois. All by myself. All by myself. This is 4 hours and 34 minutes drive hanggang makarating ako sa state line border ng Iowa. This is 433 kilometers. So maraming detour. And yeah, fingers crossed sana hindi mag-fuck up yung aking GPS kasi you know sometimes ang GPS naghahanap siya ng fastest route, minsan hindi niya sinusunod yung nilalagay mong mga details sa map. Kaya yeah, double check mahirap off route. Anyway, titigil ako sa next rest area. I need to pee. I need to check my securement, prepare ng aking provision 993 ng Illinois kasi mostly yun ang hinahanap dito sa Illinois once na open ng skill. much. Thank you, Illinois. Aywa. So 13 minutes to the largest truck stop, and then mamimit ninyo si Pops mamaya. The same kami ng load ni Pops. Stop kami sa Illinois, kami sa the biggest truck stop mamaya. Then convoy na kami hanggang North Dakota. Si Pops, iba yung route niya. Iba siya nag-load sa South Carolina. The same kami ng equipment. And yeah, basta the next vlog or mamayang gabi, kita nyo rin si Pops after ng ice road namin. Ngayon lang ulit kami magkikita ni Pops dito sa the largest